Hello ctrlX world. In this video, I will demonstrate an example of how to quickly set up a ctrlX core for motion control. The prerequisites for this demonstration are a ctrlX drive configured for auto soft start and a ctrlX core with EtherCAT motion and PLC apps already installed. First, we establish the topology of the EtherCAT field bus that will transmit the real-time cyclic data to the ctrlX drive. We're going to open up ctrlX IO Engineering. This process will be fairly straightforward as we're going to create a new file, and then once that's loaded, we're going to establish connection to the ctrlX core by logging in with our username and password. Next, we're going to scan the EtherCAT Master and add all connected devices to our topology. Then we simply download it. Download is now complete, and we will go set up the motion app. In version 3.6, we can switch to config mode and then add our axis profiles by reading the data layer from the EtherCAT Master app. And then we'll set the limits for this axis by increasing the XL and decel and leaving the other limits at their default. Now we can successfully go back to run mode and move on to the PLC app. We're going to start the ctrlX PLC Engineering software, and this is where we will set up a template that will give us motion control over our configured axes. So we create a name for our file, and it'll take a moment here to load in our project. Now that the project's loaded, we establish connection to the core, again with username and password, and accept the certificate that authenticates this connection. Now we go to insert the template, and this is where we will add the axis interface template. Now that the template is loaded, we will log in and download the project to the core. Once the project is successfully downloaded, we will hit the play button so the project is now running. Now we go to the visualization that's built into the template, and we will set some reasonable velocities and acceleration to test the axis. Now we can enable and test jogging, and we have successful motion. Please visit our community at community.boschrexroth.com. Thanks for watching.